So now let's see how we can utilize manual masking tools inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So over here you can see that I have this particular picture right here, and let's say I want to manually mask certain things out. In that case, you can go around onto the masking area right here, and on the top you get the automatic masking tools, but over here on the bottom you can select out brush right here and simply start drawing out. You can select out the size, the feather and the flow, the density right here, and then simply draw around over here just like this and mask certain area out right here just like this. So that is how you can go around and then mask it out. Let's say, for example, I increase up the density right here just like this and then select out. Now what you can do is you can change around the exposure for that particular area right here, and you got the mask as you can see just like this, and that is what you have. You can go around and add more brush right here. So let's say, for example, you can go around and draw around over here, and then you can see that you get more area for masking just like this as well. So that is what you have. You can also go around and create a new mask right here. Like I select brush, and you can see that I selected out new mask right here. So there's mask 2. So you can go around and change around the exposure for that particular area as well. And this is how you can go around over here. You can go around and add in a new mask right here, and there's different sort of masks as well. Like there's brush mask, as you can see, there's linear, radial, and so forth right here. But right now we're focusing on the brush mask right here. So you can go around and select out any mask as you want, and then go around and work around with it, as you can see, just like this. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.